Zanu PF National Chairperson Obam Chinguri Kashiri has stepped in to mediate the escalating power struggle between President Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. The two leaders are locked in a fierce battle over the control of the party beyond 2028. They had previously reached a verbal agreement that Chiwenga would take over from Mnangagwa after his second term. However, Mnangagwa has since reneged on this arrangement and is now maneuvering to extend his rule beyond the constitutional mandate. Speaking at a special state with the party Indawa held at Zanu PF headquarters in Harare Thursday, Mchinguri Kashiri acknowledged that the feud has significantly weakened party cohesion. She commended the party's Information and Publicity Department for developing a robust social media policy to curb the misuse of online platforms by members. Mchinguri Kashiri urged party leaders to focus on highlighting the party's achievements and fulfilling its promises to electorate to maintain confidence and support. She emphasized that Mnangagwa, as the party's first secretary, remains the face of Zanu PF, warning that any member found denigrating him would face disciplinary action. In quotes, "Our president and the entire presidium must be protected by shunning factionalism, which is the creation of self-serving individuals. This behavior poses a national security risk," she said. The interview was attended by Politburo members, Central Committee members, Ministers of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, provincial chairpersons, and other senior party officials. Mchinguri reiterated the importance of discipline and adherence to party protocols, stressing that unity is crucial for achieving Zanu PF's long-term objectives. Thomas Kwanamleto kwa panapa aiwa nana Obam Chinguri atukuna ati aiwa vari kudirector focus kune mtungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa osema voices angada kuda kuseparata kuda kukonzeresa chaos between the two leaders. Atiri kuona kuti vakomana now they are pushing for the 2030 agenda kunyangwe zvavo aiwa vakanga vakawirirana kuti panguva inoi pati kuhedha on to 2028 general vangadei vakupinda panyanga. Tunze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.